Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with triple step entry, outside speakers, spare tire and carrier, automatic levelers, solar power prep, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, outside shower, LED exterior lighting, roof ladder, backup camera ready, flip down travel rack, triple slides, USB charging station, big corner shower, closets on both sides of the bed, overhead kitchen storage, upper bunk windows, bedroom TV mounting bracket, over-the-range microwave, kitchen pantry, 3-burner cooktop, large kitchen sink, rear living area, vanity with sink, smoke detector, interior speakers, bedside power outlets, stainless sink, linen cabinet. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.